Hi friends, welcome to our channel Power Platform Learnings. In this video, we're going to see about the topic screen types available on the phone layout of the Canvas apps. Without waiting, let's go into the video. Before going into the video, please do subscribe our channel to see more similar such videos. For this video, I have created a test app with a phone layout. So by default, while we're creating the app with phone layout of the Canvas app, there should be an app under which we will be seeing only the screen one, which will be a default screen type called blank screen. Likewise, we also have lot of screen types that we're going to see in this video. So let me take you to the new screen section where we can see all the screen types available for this phone layout. Blank is the default one. We also have scroll, list, form, success, tutorial, email, people, meeting, calendar, and also we also have the portrait and landscape print screen types. So we also done the similar video for tablet view. Please watch that video if you need to see the screen type of the tablet also. So yeah, let me take you to the further informations. So this is the blank screen. So likewise, here we can add lot of controls as per our user experience. We can add labels, buttons, text controls, input controls, galleries, data table, and so on. So that can be up to the user definition. They can move anywhere across the screen and they can define as per their convenient. Likewise, next is we will take you to the scrollable screen. By the name itself, we can conclude that it's a scrollable canvas app where we can add more controls on the screen. It will have some title, and this scrollable screen has a canvas control where that is act as a scrollable control. Inside it we have the sections area where we can click and we can add more section inside the screen. So while adding each section, it will be add at bottom of the one below one. So inside each section we can add lot of controls and we can perform our operations using this scrollable screen. Next is a list screen where it will be adding a blank screen with the titles and a few controls for refreshing the screens and adding the screen, etc. Along with that, it will have the gallery control with the search box. Its core is a blank screen. It's not a scrollable screen. Just they have added the list of gallery here so that we can able to see the collections of items from the data source in a gallery view. Next is a form field, whereas we can use this screen to edit any of the item attached to the data source, so that it will take you to the screen with that particular item ID, so that we can edit the form with the fields inside this form layout. Next is a success screen type where it doesn't have any other additional features except it has some success image and a success message that can be completely customizable. We can use this screen for displaying the success message. We also copy paste this screen to reuse for the any other informations to the end users, like information screen, warning screen, failure screen, etc. Next is a tutorial screen. So using this screen type, we can create a tutorial kind of views. Let me play this video. We are able to see the app now. So here we have the next button to take you to the next screen, next sections. So using this we can set up some tutorials and we can publish for the end users. We also have image screen type. Using this we can able to configure this screen with the Office 365 users and mailbox. Using this we can customize we can able to send a email to the any of the member is part of the organization and out of the organization also. So using these two functionality, it will allow us to search the users. Let me search one of the user and we can add subject and we can add a message and we can click button. So here we need to add some additional functionality to send the mail from this mailbox to another mailbox. So this is just act as a front end, so we need to do some back end work to send and receive the message. Like email, we also have meetings, so there we can able to send invite to the any of the users part of the organization and also external users. So it has the two tabs called invite tab and schedule tab. Invite tab has the attendees, subject and message, whereas the schedule tab has the date, time, durations and locations. So email and meetings will be act as a front end screen, whereas the back end will be act as a Office 365 connector or any other external connectors of the mailbox. So next we will see the people screen type, whereas this screen type has some search box where we can search any of the users as part of the organization. And also we have two more screen types called portrait print and landscape print. Using these both, we can able to print the screen, so we can configure the screen at any of our mobile app, and then we can add the screen here, and using this print button we are able to print the layout, or we can save it as a PDF from the screen type. So we have the blank screen type that is used for list, form, success, tutorial, email, people and meeting, also the calendar. These all are fall under the blank screen. The core is a blank screen. Top of that they have added additional controls and they make it as a new template, so that any of the users can utilize based on their needs. If else they can go to the blank screen and they start developing from the scratch. If the end user need the scrollable screen type, they can go ahead and they can choose the scrollable screen, and they can add the section inside that they can add controls. Whereas the people want to print some of the content in a portrait or landscape, they can go with the screen type called portrait and landscape. Yeah, that's all about this video. If you want further video like this, please do subscribe our channel, and please do provide feedback about the video, and if you have any questions, please put a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.